Welcome to Car in the Yard, where we share car stories, automotive history, and practical tips to save you time and money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss our weekly videos. Car repairs can get expensive fast, but the truth is that some of the most common fixes are so simple you should never pay a mechanic for them. Today, we'll cover 5 repairs you can do yourself and save hundreds of dollars in the process. First up, replacing wiper blades. At a shop, this can cost $50 to $80, but you can buy blades for $10 to $20 and snap them on in minutes. It's as simple as sliding out the old ones and clipping in the new ones. Most blades have a release tab you press to remove them, and the replacement simply clicks into place. Always check your owner's manual for the right size, and remember that fresh wipers can make a huge difference in visibility during rain or snow. Next, air filters. Both cabin and engine air filters are easy to change, yet mechanics often charge $40 to $60 for each. You can buy them for around $10 to $15. The cabin filter is usually located behind the glove box, while the engine air filter sits inside a plastic housing under the hood. It's usually just a couple of clips or screws, and you're done in under 5 minutes. Replacing these regularly keeps your air clean, improves engine efficiency, and can even help your fuel economy. Third, changing headlight or taillight bulbs. Many shops charge $50 to $100, but the bulbs themselves cost only $10 to $15. Most cars let you access the bulbs by opening the hood or trunk, twisting out the old bulb, and replacing it with the new one. Some vehicles may require removing a cover or two, but it's still a simple job. Just remember, don't touch the glass on halogen bulbs with your bare hands because oils from your skin can shorten their lifespan. This repair not only saves money, but also keeps you safe and legal on the road. If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who loves cars. Drop a comment too. We'd love to hear your own repair stories. Number 4 is battery replacement. A shop may charge over $200 including labor, but you can buy a battery for around $100 to $150 and install it in about 10 to 15 minutes. Start by turning off the car and wearing safety gloves. Disconnect the negative cable first, then the positive, remove the hold-down clamp and lift out the old battery. Place the new one in, secure it, and reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative. Some auto stores will even test your charging system or install the battery for free when you buy it from them. Knowing how to do this yourself can save money and get you back on the road quickly. Finally, oil and filter changes. This is one of the biggest money savers. Shops may charge $70 to $120 for a single oil change. Doing it yourself costs about $30 to $40 for oil and a new filter. You'll need a wrench, an oil pan, and a funnel. The process is straightforward. Warm up the engine for a few minutes, drain the old oil by removing the drain plug, replace the oil filter with the new one, and add the right amount of fresh oil. Always double-check your owner's manual for the correct oil type and quantity. Not only will you save money, but regular oil changes will extend your engine's life and give you peace of mind. From wiper blades to oil changes, these 5 repairs are easy, cheap, and will save you hundreds of dollars every year. Don't let mechanics charge you for jobs you can handle in your own driveway. So, have you tried any of these repairs yourself? Or do you have another one you'd never pay a mechanic for? Share it in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car in the Yard for more car tips, stories, and guides every week.